Hey everyone, if you've ever needed to quickly share a Google Sheet with others, whether you're collaborating with a team, presenting data, or just making your content accessible online, today's tutorial is for you. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to publish your Google Sheet to the web and get a public link you can share with anyone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your private spreadsheet into something anyone can view, and I'll also show you how to embed it on a website if you need to. Let's get started. So you've got your Google Sheet all ready to go. The first thing you want to do is head up to the top menu and click on File. From there, go down to the Share option, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to making your files accessible. This Share menu gives you different ways to let others view or edit your document, but the one we want today is Publish to Web. Go ahead and click on that. If you're worried you might miss it at first, just take your time. It's a small option, but it's powerful. Now, once you're in the Publish to the Web window, you'll see a couple of choices. Google gives you the flexibility to either publish your entire spreadsheet, all the tabs and data, or just a specific sheet. This is super handy. If you have sensitive info or drafts on other sheets you don't want out in the world, you can be selective. But for this walkthrough, let's say you want everything visible. You want your viewers to see the full document, not just one section. So make sure your entire document is selected. Then you'll see a button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry, you're not locking anything in forever. It just means your spreadsheet gets its own unique web link right now. After you publish, the screen will update and you'll see a public link appear. This is the link you can share with your audience, your colleagues, or anyone who needs access. You can send it in an email, drop it in a chat, add it to a presentation. It's entirely up to you. And just a quick note here, everything you publish through this method is view only by default, so people can see your data but can't make changes to your original sheet unless you give them extra permission another way. Right below the link, you'll also see something called Published Content and Settings. This area lets you keep control over your document. For example, if you ever need to unpublish, maybe your project is done or you want to update the data before sharing again, just pop back into these settings and hit Stop Publishing. Google makes this part straightforward, and it means you always have the option to take your sheet offline with a couple of clicks. Now, for those of you who are looking to take things a step further, maybe you want this spreadsheet embedded directly into your website or blog. Just click on the Embed tab. Here, Google gives you a special bit of HTML code. Copy it and then paste it into your website's code where you want the sheet to show up. It's like adding a live window to your data that updates each time you republish. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your Google Sheet public and optionally even embedded it. Remember, none of these changes are permanent. You can come back at any time to adjust what's shared or stop publishing altogether. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on useful, everyday tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.